you doing? This is a documentary on Paris Nicole Murchison. Today's date is, I think, the 15th. I would touch. Fuck me. She is almost 2. She will be 2 on August 23rd. She was born in 2010. He's my baby girl. It's my playmate, my cuddle buddy, my baby. She's so energetic and perfect. She could be energetic and cuddly at the same time. She's so sweet and precious. She's the best dog ever. Pierce, you're so cute, Mama. See, hey, Mommy. Hey, Mommy. Mommy. Mommy, you're such a good girl. Yes, you are. She's a good dog. She's beautiful. And you have to, ow. I have to be careful because my mom is asleep. Her room is right there. Where you going, Mommy? You want to sit away from me, Mommy? But my pet ones. And my bestie, Diego Welch, lives right across the street. You may know our show as The Besties. Yep, I'm Vicky. That's my baby girl. Yep. It's like 10 something in the morning. Jacob should be awake at about 11:30. And then I walk across the street. You want to say bye? Look at her nub. Watch this, watch this. Oh, wait. She's forcing it down. Oh, don't want to put it down anymore?